Hi friends, my name is Asif and today in this video I am going to talk about the Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. I'm going to tell you that from where you can download it and how can you use it for free. Yeah, I'm saying that it's 100% free. If you want to buy this one, you will find a hard copy and DVD at DVD. So first of all, you have to download it. I will give you the link in the description below so you can download from there, and all the needed programs that you should need it, I can give the links in the description. And you can say, first of all, you have to go to the getintopc.com and say Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. This is a dictionary. First of all, I want to show you that is working for me, and I will tell you in full detail that how can you do that. Now look at this one, it's working for me, and how I do that. First of all, I will tell you about this one, the setting. You have to go to the setting. This is, it looks like that. It's Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, and it's very useful, and if you want to use it for learning, might help you. This video is going to help you, but you can also like this video if you like that. First of all, what you need to go think is go to the setting, means property, and this option is for you. Notice this option is here. You will find the option change action, change user account control system, and this one you have to say never notify this, and this option also help you. You have all the boxes will be checked, so you have to uncheck all the boxes and then apply even for all of them. Okay, so now when you do that, after that you have to download it first, then you have to download a program, alcohol 120%. I will give you the link in the description. You can download it, and it's a crack obviously, so you have to say you can do it a lot easier than anybody else, and then you will run the Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. But without doing the steps in the action center, you will probably, if you install the program, use Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, use a original disk not found or authenticated. So that's the problem that you will face if you can't follow the rules and regulations that I have tell you. So that's all from now, and hopefully you understand what I was trying to say. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like, if this method work for you. Okay, thanks, goodbye for now. Okay, bye.